I will take video of the.
Hey, Daddy, watch the water. I've not yet reached the bridge.
I don't know whether.
And I've not reached the bridge. Yeah. On the bridge. It's when we cross that place that was.
It's recording, right?
Look at the water.
Wow, this is.
It's a big boat. Yes. What's this? I wish there's a crocodile.
Are you? Let me see.
I hate these places.
That's only you. The fact that you're walking on water. That's why I've been past, I beg.
There's crocodiles, I can see them.
I don't trust it, especially because it's Niger.
Crocodiles.
This is a big choice. Eh?
Mommy, let me stand and
This
take
is
video of
beautiful.
them.
This was in Niger, they make bridge and say nobody should climb because they don't trust it.
No, not this guy. It's the one that Governor Rocha did in Imo State. You understand? This is a good bridge. I know what I'm talking about.
Wow, but then they were just... Daddy, have you seen the waters?
Yeah. So
you're on water, oh, you're crossing the water.
Mommy, take video of the water. No, let me do that.
You let me don't do and then the phone will fall out. Don't do and drop the phone. Oh.
I don't know how you're going to do it because what we want to capture is the bridge. Because people want to get the bridge. You understand? Okay, bring, please.
Look at the water.
Give it to your mommy. Let her capture the bridge. Let me capture from this side. This is the bridge. Okay, please, you push now. This is the bridge.
I mean, I'm not down water. Yes.
This is the new River Niger bridge. Honestly speaking, this is a good bridge. Everything I'm seeing is on point. I'm suspecting that this third road might need a final fix. Okay, so we are through with the bridge. And now we are not just on a major road. So we are done with the bridge. There's another small bridge here. This was a small bridge, not River Niger bridge. But this is a beautiful road. Honestly speaking, I have to give it to President Muhammadu Buhari. When you look at this third road here, you can see that it's no longer black to show that this side of the road has been constructed for a long time now. But this makes it easier for people to go to Owerri, you know. So if you are planning to travel down to Owerri, make good use of this bridge, this festive period. It's worth it, man. The road is big, or it's wild. It's beautiful.
And there's nothing good. No super trucks.
You know, there is no traffic here.
No super trucks.
So this is it's beautiful. Honestly speaking, this looks like something that, if I say it now, small people will say, hey, that I'm exaggerating or something, but this is a good job. If you see good things, I'm obedient by the way, but if you see a good thing, don't deny that it's a good thing. You know, the road is big, oh. The road is big. So, well, we don't intend to take it from the beginning of the road to the end of the road. This much we can show you guys. Thank you for watching. You can share the video if you care, if you like. If you don't share, I don't mind. But share it if you like it, if you want others to see it. Okay, ciao.